Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel FinNavi. And today I will analyze another pharmaceutical company. It's Johnson & Johnson from the United States. So here we have a short overview about the topics we will discuss today. And at the beginning, a short disclaimer. Please be aware I'm only talking here about my own opinion. And before you start investing, be aware that investing is risky and that you have to do your own research, before you invest in something. And now let's start with Johnson & Johnson and the business model. So it's a pharmaceutical company, so they have many different healthcare products. They have pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health offerings. And regarding their innovation and research and development, they continuously continue with that. They are operating in many different countries around the whole world, and they have a strong brand portfolio, so they already have good, well-known, developed brands in the healthcare sector. And they want to improve the global health outcome. Now let's have a look at the financials. So here we can see that the profit on sales, it's at approximately 18% plus on average of the last years in my eyes, in my view. The net assets are much higher than the total debt. That's really good in my eyes, The shares outstanding are stable, that's okay. The market cap is $426 billion, that's on the top, that number. And the P ratio is at about above 20, 25, 26, 28, except 2023 from the year. Okay, interesting numbers, interesting financials. I don't see something really bad, but the only point is the P ratio, maybe 28 is very high. So, you have to check that. What's the P ratio today, or what do you think today? Please check that, When we look at the dividend, we see a continuous growth, beginning here in 2004 to 2023. I would say good performance. Dividend has risen up every year, and not much to say here. I would say a really clear, good dividend history. When we talk about risk, we always have the regulatory challenges. That's in general very, very big risk with pharmaceutical companies. And we also maybe have lawsuits or legal proceeding. And we have the competition. I also talked about competition like Novartis, Roche, or like Pfizer maybe. I also made a video about all of these. Then we have the supply chain. You hear it in the news every week. In many different sectors, it's a risk. Or the reputation risk, if there is a product recall, for example, or negative publicity. Now, let's have a look at the chances. we have an innovative pipeline and there may be a growth from new drugs and medical devices, then we can grow in emerging markets and there in the healthcare sector. In general, the healthcare technology with digital solutions, the consumer health trends, so maybe wellness products, I don't know. And yeah, of course, always the partnerships. Now, a bit of my own opinion. What I can see here is a stable performance about many years and yeah, with a very diverse product portfolio. They invest much in R&D, in research and development, so there may be good chances for innovation. And the global presence, yeah, it's good for diversification, many markets, and in general, the healthcare sector might be very stable because we are all getting more old day by day, and we need more treatments maybe when we get ill. People are getting more older today, and yeah, but of course, one short thing, you always have to look at the P ratio because we don't, or you don't want to buy, or whoever, yeah. I don't want to buy the company at a very high price. Yeah, I always want to have good companies at a good price. So I love discount. Yeah. Okay, but all in all, that was my short basic analysis about Johnson Johnson. What do you think about that company? Yeah, I'm sure you heard of it. Yeah. Um, Yeah, do you like other healthcare companies more? Please tell me more about it in the comments. And yeah, I would happy if you leave a like, if you sub, and if you write me your own opinion in the comments. I would like to read it there and to discuss with you. So thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. And thank you for being here until the end. So I will see you in the next analysis. And I wish you a nice day. Bye.